Baboy.
Walang mga namin, Marcel na!
Marcel na!
Saan ako magpakas?
Eh, teka lang. Hindi ka pa ako yun.
Saan punta?
Sa Ilustre.
Wala kayong makikita doon, ano?
Bakit?
Nakausap ko na sila kanina. Punta kayo ng Lingmar, room 414. Ang mura ng mga lalaki dito, no? Pag sinaba mo, may libre paksuha pa uwi. Nabiro na. Alam ko natutuwa talaga ako tuwing narito ako. I really love to always go back here in Davao. Davao is just like my second home. Ah! Nakakatakot naman yung ilaw mo. Puto parang sinusundo ako sa kabilang gawin. May dala sa tayo. Hindi ng kapitan. Yung India, hunggan-hunggan. Don't get offended, ha? I'm just joking. I'm a comedian. I'm just kidding, okay? Do you know what kidding is? What is kidding? Joking? No, kidding. Kidding. When you're not old yet, you're kidding. When you grow, you're growing. When you're old, like her, you're dying. Sabi ng mother, ay shit, buti insured ako. Nabiro na. Are you having fun? Really? Because we're having fun also. We're having fun of you. I'll give you a kiss. Oh, excited man niya. Arabo, bilig sa bakla. What's your name?
Raj.
Raj. Hi, Raj. I'm Vice Ganda. Do you know what Ganda means? No. Ganda means beautiful. Do you find me beautiful?
Yes.
Thank you. Your chest is so hairy. You know my mouth is full of shampoo.